we go.
Okay.
Bruce hasn't bought a keyboard in many, many years.
14.
He's trying to figure. 14.
14 years. And actually...
Can you stop for a second? I'm wondering if I should use your phone instead of mine. Since
No.
Okay. All right.
It's not a keyboard.
It's not a keyboard, folks.
It's a digital piano.
It's not a keyboard. It is a digital piano, as you heard.
Got the next one? My trusty assistant.
Trusty assistant. There he goes.
Cut down the middle. Oops, he just cut off his finger.
Oh, Brucey. Gosh. He has a splint on his arm, folks, because he broke his arm. He's going to get a cast today, so he's home with us. And there we go. Here comes the box. Oh my, look at that.
We get the best part because he breaks his arm and we get to keep him for 2 days.
That's right. Oh, now they're going to fight.
Okay. All right. Ow!
He's the best grandson in the world. And this is the best husband in the world.
And
Don't say that.
we get to spoil him.
Yeah, we get to spoil him. And he gets to...
He's spoiled, but he's not a brat.
No, he isn't. Not at all. Not one bit. He's a delight. All right, and here we go.
Close-up. Come in and get a close-up.
Close up. Coming in, coming in, coming... Oh,
Wait a minute.
hold your pants on, boy.
I get to
Oh,
play it
look
first.
at that. Is that ever gorgeous? Looks like a keyboard, folks, but it isn't.
It's a
Digital
piano.
piano.
It's only supposed to be 26 pounds.
26
Yeah,
pounds.
still.
There you have it.
Oh, Jaden, don't do that, darling.
I got it.
Okay.
Oh, that's lovely.
Got it.
That is just lovely. Look at that. Ooh, that's gorgeous.
You're gonna follow us up?
And the keyboard's gorgeous too.
Oh,
Are you going up with it?
I'm going up.
All right, we're going up, folks. Here we go. Jaden's leading the way. Might even turn the light on. There goes his butt. I get to come up behind his butt in the keyboard. All right. Sorry, folks. Get to see the upstairs of our house that's for sale if you know anybody who wants to buy this beautiful home.
There it is.
Ooh, look at the glare.
A little high, isn't it?
That's a little high, darling.
All right, let's.
It's really smooth.
And let's turn the thing. Adjustable keyboard stand, of course. Bruce is a beautiful musician. He's been playing for all his life.
Okay, if you want to pause it,
All right.
I'll go get the chords.
How do I pause? Other than stopping it. What does that do?
The music
Turned
rest.
off. There it is. Beautiful. And there's the grandson playing with a knife. He loves knives. He's very safe though. He knows how to handle
Did
them.
the foot pedal drop out?
Foot pedal.
Oh, no, I don't need the knife.
Foot pedal.
Oh, no, I didn't.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. This is the electrical cord.
Electrical cord.
Okay.
Rattle, rattle, rattle.
And of course, that's
Grandson. Having a good time playing with a knife. Be careful.
I got it.
His dad is a real outdoor enthusiast and very safe. He's a mechanic. He can do anything. He's taught his son how to handle tools, except right now, stabbing the box.
just as long as he doesn't stab me or you or
Or his
himself.
toes or something.
Himself. Okay, twisty tie is not coming on.
Okay, we're bored.
You can turn it to me.
I am.
There is the
There.
electrical cord.
Watch out. Grandfather coming through. Now to find where it plugs in. Your foot pedal must be in the box that he's tearing up.
It's right here.
Oh, you got it already? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and get the.
Which pin out?
Oh, it's like a man.
I know you can find it, honey. You got a good brain.
Oh, it's underneath. I'm looking in the wrong place.
Here.
He sold his beautiful Kurzweil, purple Kurzweil, mind you, and his beautiful, was it Roland? The Roland?
Yes.
Yeah, the Roland that did absolutely every single thing on the planet. And his music recording station to buy this. He does have the drum machine left. Little portable drum machine, if anybody wants it. Nice thing. Of course, he still does have his little tiny red piano thingy that he uses to.
Okay. We are ready
Well, ready.
for demonstration.
All right, let me get up closer. Zooming in, zooming in, zooming in, zooming in. Excuse me, honey.
Okay.
Zooming in, zooming in.
Nice touch.
Oh, good.
Let's try an electrical piano.
Ready? Backing up, backing up. That sounds like a Casio there. Oh, honey, don't. The master musician at work, folks. You get to see it here first.
Speakers are nice.
Yeah, not bad for inside speakers. Not as nice as the other ones, though. Can I stop it now? Have you had enough? Had enough? Had enough?
That's enough.
Okay.
Signing off.
Signing off. Say bye.
Today, bye.
Me and Jaden.
Bye.
Signing off.
Bye.
And now I know my heart is a gold.